In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make size charts for Etsy 5 minutes. A clear, accurate size chart can cut down returns and help shoppers buy with confidence. So let's build one quickly and professionally. Start by gathering exact measurements for each product you sell. If you use a print-on-demand provider, download their official sizing specs. Measurements can vary by brand and garment type. If you stock items yourself, measure a sample laying flat and note the units you'll display like inches or centimeters. Consistency is key. Open Canva or another drag and drop design tool. Create a new design size for Etsy listing photos. A horizontal image around 3000 by 2400 pixels or at least 2000 pixels on the longest side. Keeps text crisp on mobile and desktop. Give the file a clear name so you can update it later. Search Canva for size chart to pull up ready-made templates or start from a blank canvas if you prefer full control. Choose a clean layout with strong legibility and enough space for your measurements. Add a product photo or mock-up behind the chart to provide context. Reduce the image opacity slightly or place it to one side so the numbers remain the star of the show, and lock the layer to avoid accidental moves. Build the table using simple rectangles and text boxes. Create columns for size, chest, length, and any other dimensions your customers care about. Align elements with Canva's guides. Keep padding consistent and use a readable font size that won't blur when downsized. Label everything clearly. Add text for chest, length, and size names such as S, M, and L so shoppers instantly understand what each number refers to. If your supplier includes tolerance, add a small note like allow minor variations. Bring the chart to life with helpful visuals. Simple arrows showing where a chest or length is measured, plus a touch of your brand colors, can make the graphic more intuitive. Maintain strong contrast for accessibility. When you're happy, download the chart as a high-quality JPG or PNG. Upload it to your Etsy listing as one of the gallery photos, ideally near the front so buyers see it early. In your product description, include a clear line, "Please see the size chart image for all sizing information." That reminder reduces confusion and sets expectations. That's it. With accurate measurements, a clean layout, and a prominent upload, your Etsy size chart will work hard for every listing.